Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your Twitter username. So let's get into it. First of all, open your Twitter app. Swipe right to open the side menu and tap Settings and Privacy at the bottom. Click on your account, then tap on Account Information. Under Account Information, update the username currently listed in the username field. If the username is taken, you'll be prompted to choose another one. Tap Done to save your new handle. And that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.